how to add a new user to a project in DCKAP Integrator. Adding a new user. Begin by launching the DCKAP Integrator and logging in with your admin credentials. Navigate to the Projects page. Locate the desired project card and click on the three dots. Choose the project settings. Alternatively, you can select the project card and click on the gear icon on the left to reach the project settings. Once inside, click on Users from the left menu. Input the email address of the new user and select their access level, either admin or standard. Click on Add User. You can also view a list of existing users on this page. Manage Project Invitation. The new user will be sent an email invitation. They can join the project by selecting the Manage Project Invite link within the email. User Account Confirmation. For first-time users of DCKAP Integrator, follow the on-screen instructions to sign up and set a password. Logging in to DCKAP Integrator. With these credentials, log into DCKAP Integrator. Click on Accept Project. To conclude, the new user will appear in the admins list of users in a group. Subscribe to DCKAP on YouTube and explore the DCKAP Learning playlist. Check the description below for more.